Alright, I am back at Towson University. I'm in front of the University Union. And I'm here on campus right now. You just saw a video from me earlier. Now, I just want to show you this. This campus is completely empty. Like, there's no one here. At least right now. I've heard some screaming. I've heard some people are outside sledding, but otherwise than that, there's really no one up here. I hear the sounds of people. Oh, there's some people shoveling right there. I hear the sounds of people shoveling. I hear sounds of people talking and stuff like that, but otherwise than that, this campus is completely quiet. I'm thinking of going down to the den. This is Susquehanna right here in this back area, that window right over there. This whole window is Susquehanna. Like, this whole area is Susquehanna, and then I know that second floor over here is something else, but otherwise than that, this is all closed. There's a walkway here. There's some stairs. I don't know if we're even allowed to go up here. I'm guessing. I see footsteps over here, so I'm guessing we're allowed to go up here. Salt. Thank you, sir. Huh. Thank you, sir. Going down this way. Alright, so this is the rest of campus right here. I took a video summer of 2012, late summer 2012, with my buddy Barry Geis, who was here at Towson at the time. He graduated in 2013 when I was still at Howard Community College. So hopefully I'm looking to still upload that up. That's on my cell phone. And still a lot of stuff to encounter here. Alright, so here's the science building smokestack. So I'm gonna sign off and I'll see you later. Alright, bye.